Hi Jeff, this is Tiffany at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile from the Galleria on Highway 31. I want to thank you for inquiring on the beautiful 2017 Santa Fe. I do have one right here in the iron frost with the gray interior. I would love to meet with you and show you this vehicle. There's tons of stuff. It's a great vehicle, beautiful. Call me, my number is 205-380-6250. The best thing about this car is America's best warranty. We have 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no strings attached. Give me a call. My name's Tiffany, 205-380-6250. Thank you.